Hi everyone, welcome in this tutorial on modeling a kind of forgotten gate. This is a part 3, so be sure you already watched the previous part. You will find the link in the description below. Today we will add grass in our scene using particle system, so let's go! First of all, we will add a plane by pressing Shift A for the grass. Then, in Edit mode, we will apply a rotation of 90 degrees on the x-axis and scale it on the x and z axis. We will add some edge loop by pressing Ctrl R and use the scroll mouse to increase the number of loops. Once we have done our straight blade of grass, we will use proportional editing to curve it a bit using the sharp profile. After that, we just need to duplicate it to create a tuft of grass. Don't forget to add variations with proportional editing. Okay, now we are ready to add particle system to our ground. To do so, select our ground and go to the modifiers panel. Then, in the particle system panel, we will see the one we just created. We change the type of particle to hair. We will get hair coming from the ground. Now we want to restrict the area to where we want our grass to be. For that, we will use vertex groups. Open the vertex groups panel represented by the little triangle and let's create a group called grass emitter. Now make sure you only selected the faces where you want our grass to stand and hit assign. If you deselect everything and click on select, it should now select the faces you assigned to the group. Now let's go back to the particle systems menu and in vertex groups category, we will associate the density to our grass emitter group. Also, instead of having hair as particle, we want to use an object which is the one we just made. Then we will custom the rotation of our grass. To do so, we will activate the advanced settings and enable the rotation category. But first, we will check the box called Object Rotation and we will rotate our grass the way we want. Let's tweak some parameters for the rotation. Okay, so now we need to change its scale. I recommend here to set the scale to 1 in the render section and then to play with the hair length. And add some variations to the scale after. We are almost done. We can just change the random distribution of our grass here to something better and increase the density of grass. This is a step where you really want to tweak parameters until you're happy with the results. Now we are ready to convert all these particles to real objects. I recommend to move all these objects to a new collection by pressing M. We can now hide the particle system, and as you can see, some tufts need to be deleted. Guess what? This is now the fun part where we'll fix what is wrong with our grass. Thankfully, there is a really nice option that will save us a lot of time. You can select the ground and all our rocks and make them unselectable in the display panel. Then you will be able to only select the grass. Don't forget the grass that is colliding with our rocks. Hey, we're done for this part, well done. I think the next video will be the last one for this tutorial. If you enjoy it, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the commentary section below. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye!